Alright there YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Another video on Old Red, our Project 1983 Peterbilt 359. Today's video, we're going to do some headlight upgrades. Now this past luck, I have not had very good luck as far as deer go. I've hit 3 deer with my Mack truck this year, and I'd be really disappointed if I hit another one with this truck this spring when I get this truck on the road. So I'd really like to be able to see down the road just a little bit further. Now I've got a pair of headlights here that should fix that problem. I've had these sitting on the shelf here a little while now, and I'd really like to get these on. Make sure we don't have any problems with them while we're still kind of within that 30-day no questions asked return window. So we're going to go ahead and get these swapped out, and we're probably going to go ahead and get our bumper lights wired up in this video too. So hopefully this shouldn't take too long, and let's get to it. Now hopefully this should be a pretty simple deal. These are advertised to be basically a straight just put them in type replacement, so hopefully we don't have any issues. You know, one quick tip here, if you want to make sure you never lose any bolts and always know where they go, when you take it out, just thread it back in the hole. Okay, so this looks like we just got a couple spring clips here. Go ahead and pop these loose. There we go. Probably go ahead and clean this up while we got it off. So before we get too far ahead of ourselves, let's go ahead and plug this in. Make sure that it works. Got my headlights on low beams. Well, that's kind of interesting. Nothing working. I know this was working, so that works. Go ahead and try the other one. I doubt we'd have two that were DOA, so. Well, that's interesting. Go ahead and do a little bit of testing here. See, should be low beam, which is what we're on. Okay, we got low beam. And this one, well, that's not right. This should be ground. I'm hooked to ground here, and we shouldn't be getting power there. Yeah, something's not right in the wiring here. Okay, so now we're over here where our headlight wiring hooks up. Disconnect all 3 of these. See, what do we got here? So I switched it to low beam here, so there should only be power on one of these. And we've got power on 2 of them. Let's ohm the ground here. Okay, 0 resistance to ground. Perfect. Let's try to plug this in again here and see what happens. Hey, we got light. Awesome. You know, even my halogen's a lot brighter here now. I just kind of assumed that it was just the old school technology of a halogen headlight, but these did seem particularly dim. But yeah, now that I got the wiring switched around how it's supposed to be, even that the halogen there is a lot brighter than it was, but still big upgrade right there. All right, let's go ahead and unplug this, get this put in the housing, get it put in here, and we go do the other side. So yeah, you can see that the LEDs are definitely a little bit more fussy about their power source than the halogen bulbs are. But this will still be a very worthwhile upgrade. There we go. I'll definitely need to get this outside and make sure that we aim these so I'm not blinding oncoming traffic, but yeah, that is very nice. Okay, so basically here's what I did for wiring for the bumper light here. First off, I made a piece of conduit here for this fender marker light. I was never too happy with how this just kind of hung in this span before. So I just took a piece of copper tube. I cut the end of it about 3/4 of the way through, smashed it down flat with a hammer, drilled a hole in it so I could secure it on this end, and then just got it secured to this bolt for the fender marker light here with the P-clamp. And then I'm not too happy with how I've got my splices here, but it is what it is. Tried to loom it and stuff the best that I could here. But we got our splices here that go to the different lights. And then this wire here is the run going down to the bumper light, comes down through this grommet. Back around, I've got it, tried to kind of tuck it in behind this as much as I could. Down here, around this side and out to this light. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a great day.